Hello everybody, welcome back to Crystals Collectibles Super Geek Life. Today we'll be opening this pack of Animal Crossing amiibo cards. This is Series 4, and as you can see I pre-opened it, but I did not look inside because it's a lot easier to pre-open the packs. Especially because these guys sometimes give me a problem opening. Now let's see what's inside. Gonna do it this way, so you can see, all I can see is the bottom of it. So I'll be surprised too. Start with the bottom card. Alright, I got Brewster. Number 302. And it's a special card because it's an NPC. Got Brewster, and I don't know what the bottom card number is. 10 out of 15. Is there 15 special cards in the Series 4? I don't know what that bottom number is. If you know, let me know down below, because that would be a big help. That's really cool. Got Mr. Brewster himself. Maybe I could build a house for him, because I just unlocked the Happy Home Designer. I reset my island, so I just unlocked the Happy Home Designer again. I got Croak. I think that's how you say his name. Number 330. And again, it's 7 out of 18. Is there like 18 frogs in this series? Is there... it can't be 18 villagers, so maybe it goes by type? Maybe there's 18 types in this series? I don't know. Really cool. Love his pose. Next up I got Wolf. The boxing kangaroo, or the kung fu kangaroo? Maybe? Number 354. And it's 4 out of 25. 4 out of 24, sorry. Another cool looking card. Next up, I got Poppy. I think that's how you say his name. He's 1 out of 10. And it's got different, like things beside them. He's got like a... Yeah, I think it goes by type because it shows a, like a deer, like a goat beside him, so maybe there's like 10 goats in this series? Maybe? Well, he's number 358 and 1 out of 10, so I don't know. See that symbol beside him? See what Walt's got beside him? Yeah, Walt's got a different symbol. So does Croak? Or whatever his name is. He's got a crab symbol. And Brewster over here has a, like a scale beside him. Again, I don't know what these numbers mean. If you do, let me know down below. It's also got different names, so maybe, of course the English name, and then maybe like a French and Spanish or something. Really cool. Next up, I got Lobo. Number 382. And he's also got a different symbol besides him. It's a scorpion. And he's number 11. Oh, maybe that's their birthday. Duh. That's their birthday. 11-5, and he's a scorpion. Okay, I get it. That's their birthday. So Brewster's birthday is (10/15). Really cool. And I don't know what that symbol is. I'm not sure. Quoke's birthday is 7/18. He's a crab, so aqua. I don't know. Whatever the aqua birthday is. Walt's birthday is 4/24. That makes a lot more sense. That makes a whole lot of sense, having their birthday on the card. I got it now. It's not the number of how much villagers or how much different species there are. It's their birthday. Okay, I got it. And Poppy's birthday is 1/10. Really cute. And last but not least, I got Rosie. I think she's a fan favorite if I'm not mistaken. She's number 386, and her birthday is 2/27. And it's also a fish. Let me know if I'm right or wrong down below, but I think I get it now. Because I know there's not 27 cats in the series. I know there's a lot more than that, so I'm guessing that's their birthday. That's why it has a slash between them. But if I'm wrong, let me know, but I believe I got it. And it's their birthdays. Really cute. Well, that's all for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I love and appreciate each and every one of you who stays till the end. Thank you all so much. Please stay safe out there and have an amazing day.